Okay, hello guys. Today I'll be doing we'll be dealing with the lower body. So I'm going to show you a basic footwork. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, first thing first. Okay, I'm just showing you how this thing goes. Okay, this is just a basic move, guys. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, this one must come up. Okay guys, that's it guys. Okay, that's it for today. Okay guys, but if you want to make it look perfect and look good, just go to this side, yeah. Or you can't even go back. See, yeah, that's how you do it. That's the trick. Okay, let me tell you guys a secret. Okay, this is just a secret. This is between me and you. Okay, the secret is, okay, when you're banging, your feet only do one thing. Your feet only do one thing, and then your hands do different things. Okay, let me show you. Okay. See, and then people will think, hey, yo, this guy can bang her. But they don't know that the secret is your feet only do one thing, and then your hands do different things. That's why you must check out the upper body tutorial. You must check it, learn it, and then try to combine it with this tutorial. Okay, I'll put it in a description on YouTube. Yeah, so yeah, get to it guys. So peace.